Bill Gates was born in 1955 on October 28. His father was a lawyer, mother a school teacher. An educated family. Bill Gates was first joined in government school, later moved to a private school named Lakeside School. He was good at maths and science. In 1968, Lakeside School purchased a computer by taking the financial aid from the Parents Association. All the school children were attracted by the computer. A new big machine came to their school. Bill Gates, his friend, 2 years senior to him, named Paul Allen, and few other friends were very much passionate about the computer. They simply skipped all other classworks, homeworks, and sat in front of the computer for a whole day. Every day they were coming to the school, just going into the computer room and started reading the computer literature, writing the programs, executing, observing the hardware performance, and simply exploring this new big machine called computer. Lakeside School thought that the total computer usage time they purchased was almost sufficient for an academic year. But because of Bill Gates and his friends, the total computer usage time was exhausted within a few weeks. Then the school management started finding out the solution for this problem. The father of a student in Lakeside School was working in Computer Center Corporation, which was located in Seattle town. In short, C-Cube Company. By taking the reference from that employee, Lakeside School management got some more computer usage time. Again, Bill Gates and friends started attacking the computer, exploring the computer. This aggressive attack given by the students caused the system crash several times and simply broken the computer security system. And one more thing, by this time Bill Gates was little bit good at coding and computering. So he hacked security system of C-Cube company and altered the computer usage recording file and changed the data so that a more time used by the Lakeside School students was recorded a very less time. After some weeks, C-Cube company noticed this change, so they banned Lakeside School students to use their computers. By this time, Bill Gates was good at programming. He formed a group named Lakeside Programmers Group. Again, no computer usage time. At this point of time, C-Cube company business was falling down. They thought that weak security system was the main reason for this downfall and got an idea that Lakeside school students hacked the security system, altered the files, so they invited them to the company head office and asked them to fix the bugs in the security system, and in return they would give unlimited computer usage time. This Lakeside Programmers Group students did that work and got unlimited computer usage time. Because of this unlimited computer usage time given by the C-Cube company made Bill Gates a hardcore computer programmer. In 1970, C-Cube company was closed. Again, no computer usage time. Where there is a will, there is a way. Paul Allen's father was working in University of Washington. So, by taking the reference from Paul Allen's father, both friends entered Washington University and started using computer there. At this point of time, both these friends worked for Information Science Incorporation company and Trafo Data company. They developed payroll program, traffic flow system, and other defense contracting programs. By seeing the performance of their students, Lakeside School management asked Bill Gates to develop a school scheduling program for them. They did it. In 1973, Bill Gates entered Harvard University. He enrolled in law. Again, in Harvard University also, he searched for computer room and started working with it. Actually, he observed that he had no idea about any other courses and his mind was filled with computers. So he wanted to drop down, but his mother opposed it. She wanted her son to become a graduate. So he continued. He continued pursuing law course at Harvard University and worked at Honeywell part-time. In 1974, Micro Instrumentation and Telemetry Systems Company MITS manufactured world's first microcomputer. By seeing this information in a magazine, Paul Allen and Bill Gates called that company MITS, Micro Instrumentation and Telemetry Systems. They told that they had a software which works for a microcomputer. The company people called them to head office so that they can see its performance. In fact, both friends lied with the company. They didn't have any software at all. By taking the offer from MITS, they started working on it. Within 2 months, they developed a software named BASIC, which can work for microcomputer. They met MITS company people, showed their software, installed in that microcomputer, and observed that the software was working absolutely good. MITS company offered a good amount to these friends and purchased their software. Both the friends realized that home computer market started, and those computers need software. So there will be huge demand for the software for these home computers. Immediately, Bill Gates resigned to his job at Honeywell, dropped out from Harvard University. Both the friends started in 1975 a company named Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft meaning is micro computer software providing company.